Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to quickly review the KUVRD universal lens hood. The team recently sent them to me, which was really kind of them, but no, this is not a paid advertisement or anything. I'm going to be super honest what I think about them, what I like about them, what I don't like about them. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So first off, I'm sure you've done your research and that's why you're on my video. These lens hoods are basically bits of plastic, rubber, which fits over your lens hood. A lot of people have been calling them just condoms for your lenses. And that's pretty much what they are. They're, not that expensive. I think it's $75 for a load of set, which will cover your whole focal length. So firstly, what do I like about them? So I find them really durable. I've been using them over the last couple of weeks and I haven't had any problems with them breaking or stretching. I'm sure they could if you try too hard, but they are actually pretty durable. They are waterproof, and yeah, overall, I think the actual build quality of these is really good. But obviously, test of time will tell. So as a photographer, I've lost loads of lens caps. One of the biggest mistakes I ever made on a photo shoot was a recent one for a client of a new camera and a new lens. I'm sure you can guess the manufacturer, and we lost one of the lens caps in the mountains, which was a big issue because it was a brand new lens and it had never been made, and the client was a bit concerned that someone was going to find it out. I didn't think anyone was going to find it out. Who really looks at a lens cap's details that much? Anyway, so you're always carrying all of these around, like these different things, and they constantly get lost, they get clattered around, they're in every single pocket. So when someone came to me and with a new idea and a new concept for the lens cap replacement, I was like, yes, these things are all super annoying and they're really expensive to replace, and sometimes I can't find replacements. I've still got a 82mm Nikon one I can't even find a replacement for. What I love about these ones is if you lose one, you can just pick another one up and you can instantly, if the lens is the right size, cover that lens up, which is super useful. They come in two different sizes. So there is the 54mm to 76mm, and then there's the larger sizes, which is 72 to 122mm. And these won't just fit your lens, they'll fit also the back, so you can completely waterproof your lens if you want to. So yeah, definitely less likely to lose these, and if I do, it's not a big problem. I can just grab another one out of my bag and stick it on. So carrying on from that point, I really like that they're quite durable, and if you put it on the outside of the lens, it might actually protect your lens if you potentially drop it. I've dropped a few lenses in my time and they completely shatter, but this lens cap, I don't want to start throwing lenses around, could give your lens some protection if you dropped it from a small height. In outdoor photography, we shoot in all kinds of extreme environments, so like snow, obviously rain, wind, deserts and stuff. So these I think are going to be super useful. I haven't been able to shoot because of COVID, and I don't think many people have in cool environments because I live in London, but I'm really looking forward to taking these on like really quite extreme shoots. I just feel like it's going to add a layer of protection, especially as you don't want to miss the moment sometimes, and you're not always the most careful of your lenses and gear because you just want to get that image. So sometimes I leave a lens, exposed, and I really think these will give it some layer of protection, so much more than a usual lens cap. Okay, so let's get on to the negatives. These things aren't the easiest to get on, I'm not gonna lie. Some lenses, they slip on really super well, but sometimes they're really hard to get a grip off and get on, especially if you've got a lens hood on, which I think probably 99% of all new lenses probably have a lens hood. So some lens hoods are quite difficultly shaped, so that makes it just even more of a nightmare sometimes. But if you've got the bigger size, it's okay to get it on like that, but you don't want to be doing this in like a middle of a shoot. What I really think could help this product is like a kind of hook, so you can kind of drag it on, and that would really, really help getting it on and off. But that comes on to my next point. They're not the easiest to get off. This one's going to be super easy to get off because it's got kind of a lip with the lens hood, so I can just easily rip it off like that. But when you get a lens which doesn't have your lens hood, it's actually quite hard sometimes to get under it. What this product could really do with, as I said earlier, is like a lip or something, or like a little handle just to pull it over. It would just make the product so much easier to get off. So for example, on a smaller lens, these are just built for smaller lenses, to be honest. It's just so much easier as I fumble with it. They're just so much easier to grip on, and they fit so much better, especially with like prime lenses, which you don't usually use with a lens hood. They just slip on so much easier, and they're so much easier to get off as such. Okay, I know this one isn't a big deal, but when I got them, they came in this like really horrible black plastic. And I know a lot of, I don't care about the unboxing experience of most products. I mean, it's nice when you get, like for example, I recently got these polarizers by Polar Pro, and it's just an absolute beautifully made box. It's got great packaging. It feels like high quality. And I know these are in different price brackets, but it's just so nice to get a product and you know it's gonna be, you know, super well made by the terms of its packaging. These come in like really cheap plastic containers, and I'm sure the owners are gonna mix it up because I kind of gave them this feedback. But I really think it could be like something nice and cardboard when you get, I don't know, I just love cardboard packaging. I think just getting something, you know, tacky and plastic isn't the best, but at the same time, it's only packaging. You can just chuck it in the recycling and you're not particularly gonna use it. Last but not least, I really think they could do customizing a bit better. I'd love to see some colors like blue or red, which helps you differentiate between the different lenses. I mean, you could write on the black, and I think that's a really cool feature that you can just get a pen and you can easily see which millimeter it is by just writing on it. But I think it could be really cool to have some different red or blue, whatever colors you like, just because lenses are all black and I sometimes misplace lenses when I'm doing photo shoots. They're all over the place, and if my lens was wrapped in a bright red thing, I'd be able to spot it quickly, and yeah, it would be easier to find some lenses. Overall, I think these things are really, really cool. I honestly like the company, and I think they're headed in great directions. They recently just released a universal, like kind of new lens hood like this, but bigger and better, and which can get rid of reflections through glass, and you attach it onto the front and it kind of suction cups onto the glass, I think, and that's super cool. So I think they're going great places. I think this product is a great starter. And if you guys hate lens caps and you're constantly losing them, I would definitely actually just get a set of these. They are actually a really lifesaver, especially, you know how expensive lens glass is. It's just ridiculous to replace the front element, and you know, like $50 or like £30 for a big set of them is totally worth, you know, avoiding the couple $100, maybe $1,000 bill to replace the glass on the front of your lens. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd absolutely love you to subscribe and check out my editing tutorials. I've got a lot of editing tutorials, a lot of gear stuff on here, a few travel pieces, and yeah, I'd absolutely love you guys to check them out. Anyway, I hope you're well, and yeah, keep safe. Curved, cubed, curved.